Welcome to Sugosha Defence News. Today's highlights: Bharat Electronics to collaborate with Canada's Reliasat to foray into space products. ARIES and Bharat Electronics collaborate to enhance India's space situational awareness. An RFI issued for Global Positioning System handheld for Indian Army. UKIBC hosts UK Defence delegation to enhance partnership between India and UK. DRDO transfers high altitude sustenance technologies to Power Grid Corporation of India. BluJ Aerospace pioneering the future of intelligent mobility. GE Aerospace seeks to establish engine MRO in India as exports Soar 20X and 2000 new engines on the way. MCTE and SETS sign MOU to strengthen India's cybersecurity, quantum security, and information security capabilities. First ever Future Warfare course to begin on 23rd of September. Lokesh Machines gets nod to manufacture heavy machine guns up to 30 caliber. FRCV to get two development production partners. Avantel gets major purchase order from Newspace India Ltd. Bikar Aerospace Metals adds new facilities in Belagavi and Bristol. INS Vikrant inducted into India Navy's Western Fleet. India to get first national security semiconductor fabrication plant. HFCL secures deal to develop critical subsystems for US GAASI's advanced drones. Singapore US Defence Innovation Unit collaborate to tackle unauthorized drones in Indo-Pacific. The news in detail. Bharat Electronics has signed an agreement with Canada's Reliasat Inc. to collaborate on space products. The partnership will leverage both companies' strengths in the space sector and position BEL to build a strong presence into this domain. Reliasat is in the business of developing next-generation telecommunications satellite and evolve cost-effective satellite solutions. The company designs smart satellites equipped with AI ML capabilities which facilitate high capacity internet connectivity from space. In a major development for India's space technology sector, the Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences ARIES, an autonomous institute under the Department of Science and Technology, has signed a memorandum of understanding with BEL. The partnership aims to develop critical technologies for tracking space objects, particularly near Earth objects and artificial satellites, as part of India's growing focus on space situational awareness. The SSA is crucial for predicting, warning, and avoiding potential collisions between space objects, which is essential for ensuring the safety of satellites and their users. Under the terms of the MOU, ARIES and BEL will leverage advanced image processing techniques and data analytic solutions. These will be supported by observations from ARIES's cutting-edge telescopes, including the 4M International Liquid Mirror Telescope. Additionally, the two organizations will collaborate on the development of specialized instruments and laboratories. To further enhance expertise in SSA, ARIES and BEL plan to conduct a series of training workshops focused on capacity building. ARIES will contribute its extensive knowledge in space weather monitoring, a key element in understanding the environmental conditions that affect space operations. An RFI has been issued to procure 9,000 units of global positioning systems handheld for the Army. In times where cartographic data is outdated, the HHGPS provides an invaluable tool to facilitate various aspects of warfare which require availability of accurate ground position. The UK India Business Council hosted a delegation of senior representatives from UK's Ministry of Defence, Defence and Security Exports, Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office, and leading defence companies with an aim to enhance the bilateral defense industry partnership and reaffirm commitment to India as a strategic partner. During a full week of events, the UK delegation also joined UKIBC's UK Industry Roundtable with the Indian Defence Ministry to discuss enabling policy frameworks as well as the third UK India Joint Working Group meeting held in partnership with SIDM to discuss the next frontiers of defence technology collaboration between businesses on both sides. The Defence Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences, a leading laboratory under the DRDO, handed over critical high altitude sustenance technologies to the Power Grid Corporation of India during an orientation workshop on 21st of September at PGCIL's regional headquarters in Jammu. This workshop was organized to prepare employees for high altitude operations as part of the 5,000 megawatt Pang Kaithal high voltage direct current project in Ladakh. The Pang Kaithal HBDC project, located at an altitude of 15,760 feet, is a significant step towards energy security in the region of Ladakh and the wider integration of solar power into India's national grid. The technologies transferred by DIPAS will support PGCIL in the high altitude sustenance of its workforce during the project. Earlier, DRDO signed a MOU with PGCIL to provide technical knowledge on high altitude induction and sustenance. DIPAS, known for its pioneering work in high altitude research, has previously formulated acclimatization protocols for the Army in the Himalayan region. The laboratory has developed a range of solutions for high altitude conditions, including nutritional ration scales, protective clothing, non conventional energy based shelters, and cold injury prevention creams. BluJ Aero is an innovative startup based in Hyderabad focused on developing a long range hydrogen powered vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Founded in May 22 by Maruti Amardeep Srivatsavaya and Uttam Kumar Dharmapuri, the company aims to revolutionize air transportation by leveraging hydrogen fuel cell technology for sustainable and efficient flight. The aircraft is designed to have a wingspan of 6 meters and a length of 4 meters. Initially, it will support a payload of 100 kilos, with future models aiming for a capacity of 1 ton. The VTOL is expected to achieve a range of 400 to 500 kilometers for the initial model, with plans for future variants to reach up to 800 kilometers. BluJ's aircraft will utilize a hydrogen fuel cell system which generates electricity from hydrogen, emitting only heat and water as byproducts. BluJ recently secured a $2.25 million in seed funding led by India Partners and Idea Spring Capital, with additional support from Rainmatter Foundation. This funding will facilitate the development of their first commercial product, a fully autonomous cargo eVTOL aircraft, and help expand their team from 9 to 20 employees by the end of 2024. The startup plans to conduct flight trials of a lithium ion battery powered prototype followed by hydrogen powered flight demonstrations in 2024. GE Aerospace is making a significant investment in India, having witnessed a remarkable 20-fold increase in exports from the country between 2018 and 2022. Currently, GE Aerospace has over 1,300 engines operating in India, powering Boeing and Airbus aircrafts for airlines like Air India, Indigo, and Vistara. With an additional 2,000 engines on order to be delivered over the next 9 years, the company is actively considering establishing an MRO facility in India. In addition to its current engine portfolio, the company is diligently working on the next generation open fan architecture engines, which promise to be 20% more fuel efficient. A significant portion of the research for this CFM RISE program is taking place at the Bangalore facility John F. Welch Technology Center. These engines are expected to be initially deployed on narrow body planes by the middle of the next decade. In a major step towards enhancing India's information security capabilities, the Military College of Telecommunication Engineering (MCTE) and Society for Electronic Transactions and Security (SETS) have entered into a memorandum of understanding with an aim to advance R&D in critical areas of cyber, quantum, hardware security and cryptology. Special focus on niche technologies like Bharat Post quantum, cryptography algorithms, blockchain systems, hardware security systems, quantum safe VPN, and quantum random number generators will contribute to the Indian Army's mission of technological self reliance and future battlefield ready. The key highlights of the MOU: prototyping and field trials of cutting-edge technology solutions developed by SETs in AI, blockchain, quantum, and network security to explore their military applications. Training and capacity building through joint workshops, seminars, and certificate programs in information security. Infrastructure development by setting up advanced labs in MCTE to foster joint research and learning in cyber and information security. Collaborative approach for developing Bharat PQC algorithms, hardware security systems, PQC-based public key infrastructure and QRNGs and QKDs systems under research and development. Lokesh Machines has been granted a significant license by the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade to manufacture fixed and towed heavy machine guns with calibers ranging from 12.7 mm to 30 mm. This license marks a major milestone for the company, allowing it to enter the defense manufacturing sector and contribute to India's self-reliance in critical military equipment. The ability to produce heavy machine guns domestically will reduce import dependence, create opportunities for technology transfers and skill development, and generate local jobs. Indian Army aims to replace its aging T-72 MBTs with new domestically developed tanks by 2030. Development cum production partner model. The MOD will fund up to 90% of the project, partnering with one public and one private sector entity to develop the prototypes. The Army plans to procure FRCVs in 3 phases, with each batch incorporating incremental technological improvements. The FRCVs will be powered by DRDO's 1500 HP Datron engine, and DRDO will also submit its design for consideration. Avantel has secured a significant purchase order from Newspace India Ltd, valued at 67.9 crore rupees, for the supply of prototype terminals with delivery by April 25. Avantel Ltd is a key player in the Indian defence and aerospace sector, known for its wireless and satellite communication systems, defence electronics, and radar systems. The company has established itself as a trusted partner to various defense and aerospace organizations, including the Army, Navy, Air Force, BEL, Lockheed Martin, and Boeing. Avantel offers a combination of hardware and software expertise, providing strategic solutions tailored to the complex needs of its clients in defense and aerospace communication. As a prominent supplier in the aerospace aluminum sector, Bikar Aerospace Metals is set to broaden its operational capacity with the addition of 2 new production sites located in Bristol, UK and Belagavi, India. These strategic developments are part of the company's ongoing efforts to expand its footprints in the aerospace market and reinforce its global presence. The company serves as a comprehensive source for aluminum, titanium, and superalloys, providing a full range of services from material procurement and storage to tailored processing and global distribution. With an array of value added services, including specialized material processing, certification, and logistics solutions, Bikar has been a significant player in the market for many years. The company is recognized for its short delivery times, innovative digital solutions, and a dedicated sales team of aviation specialists, making it a trusted partner in both contract and spot business. The decision to establish production facilities in the UK and India represent a strategic move to enhance the market for its self-service offerings. Under a transformative collaboration with US, India will get a national security semiconductor fabrication plant that will produce chips for use in military hardware and next generation telecommunications. A joint fact sheet on this said that the two countries hailed the semiconductor project as a watershed arrangement. It will be the first ever India US semiconductor fabrication partnership. It is the first time ever the US military has agreed to do a partnership for these highly valued technology with India, and it is a watershed moment as it is as significant as the civil nuclear deal. It said that the fab, which will be established with the objective of manufacturing infrared, gallium nitride, and silicon carbide semiconductors, will be enabled by support from India Semiconductor Mission as well as a strategic technology partnership between Bharat Semi, Third DI Tech, and the US Space Force. The fab becomes not only India's first but one of the world's first multi-material fabs for national security. HFCL has been selected by General Atomics to develop and supply critical subsystems for the firm's advanced unmanned aircraft systems. HFCL is developing drone detection radar, which is expected to become a crucial element in modern drone detection systems. In a significant development that underscores HFCL's technical prowess and commitment, the company has been selected to develop and supply critical subsystems for GA advanced unmanned aircraft systems. This partnership marks a milestone in HFCL's journey as it becomes a key contributor to one of the world's most sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicles. The company's subsidiary Radif has been developing portable and deployable advanced radar and radio frequency solutions across various terrains. And in the global news, as the US military seeks cost effective ways to combat the threat of drones on land and at sea, the Defense Innovation Unit and the Singaporean Ministry of Defense are hosting a 12-week initiative to find novel unmanned aerial vehicle communication systems to help ships close to shore track and disrupt unauthorized drones. The companies that can participate in this challenge have to be characterized as an early mid-stage company or a non-traditional company. Additionally, the companies either have to be US owned and operated from a NATO country, from the Five Eyes Alliance, part of the US Mexico Canada Agreement, or part of the Trans Pacific Partnership. This is the first official collaboration between the DIU and the Singapore to come out of a Memorandum of Understanding for Defense Cooperation. Regarding the new DIU Singapore initiative, companies have until 30th of October to participate in the challenge, and according to the press release, the winner will receive part of the 3 million prize pool. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you and have a great week ahead.